Welcome back to Java Code Academy. Today we are learning about variables and data types, the foundation of all Java program. Let's get started. Now we discuss about what is a variables. Variables, a variable store a value in memory. It has a name, type, and value. For example, it is a integer is a data type, but in integer data type will store the age. Let we discuss about the when we talk about next concept is data types. Variable is like a name or value or like that. It is a value. Here the name, you display the age, price, name like that, etc. Now we declaring about the variables in Java. Every variable must have a type. The type tells the computer what kind of data will store be. What kind of data will be stored in the int age equals to 20. This kind of data will be stored on the integer data type. And string name. What is a variable? Is name. Name is the variable equals to use the when you start with the string, you can use the double quotes of the name or anything else. Now we move to the data types. Data types are two different types of data types. One is primitive data types and non-primitive data types. There are the two types. Let we talk about today. Let we talk about now primitive data types. Primitive data types are the basic building of blocks in Java. Let's list while speaking. Int. It is a int means it is integer data type. It stores only whole numbers. And next then we'll go to the double. Double is store only decimal numbers like 3.158 like that. Next one is the boolean data type. Boolean data type is a true or false. If condition is true or false, it is a check whether the condition. And next one is the character data type. This is a single character. You use the single character like small a b c d like that. And then we move to the float. Float is a smaller decimal. If you know the pi value 3.15 like that value, and use the long short byte are the different size of integers. We talk about the some more to the in real world examples. We discuss about the long short byte. Then we move to the next one, non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types are the data types includes string, array, and classes in Java only. Any other language also same like that. In Whoops concept is non-primitive data types. They store more complex data and have built-in methods. Now move to the next one. A string is a sequence of characters. Array it is a collection of contiguous elements to store the data. The classes and objects we are discuss about in we go to the OOPS concept, and we will discuss about what is classes and objects. Here we see the examples. The example we executed. This is the major one is integer data type equals to 20, age equals to 20. Like you have to print the age. Double is a price. 99.9 is the character wave like that. A, grade B, like that values. We implemented the code and next one. Next, the completed the data type. We implementing the codes. Variables naming must start with a letter, cannot contain space, and Java is case sensitive. We already discussed in last video what is case sensitive means. I already like that. For a good examples, user name and the total marks, product price. Bad examples is one name, user name, total. We implementing the we want to open the IntelliJ ID. This is my ID. We implementing the examples public class. Hello. Write the main function. Now we started the real world examples. We say the teacher int age equals to 20, double price equal to 99.99. Next one is a string. When you are declare a string must be S is capital because the Java is case sensitive. I declare the name is I write my name Srinivas char, single quoted. When you are the declare a string and one of the is it use must and should use the double quotates. Don't use the single quote. Single quotates use the like character. Specify the single character. You have to use only the single specifying word or anything else. Boolean. What is the Boolean values implement? Is Java fun? Boolean is Java fun equals to. Don't give a space when you're declaring the Boolean values. Now, last one is I already declared that everything must real. We'll create the system dot out dot println. What I am printing age. I'm like that same. We change the values here price. And next, what is the string declare again? Next one is what I print the message grade. One message also print now. The name is Java is fun. Java is Java fun. We have to compile the now we run the our my code check it output what is reflected. Yeah, here you will see. Here you will see the what I am type here. This is the basic of integer and variables and data types declaration. When you change the boolean value is false, you can return the value on the console false. Today this is the my this is I explore the real world examples also. Great job. You know understand variables and data types in Java. In the next video, we will explore operators in Java. Like, share, and subscribe to my Java Code Academy. See you the next lesson. Thank you.